Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm gonna show you real quick one of my quickest, fastest all-time lunch, which take me no time. It's really filling, and I just thought I'd show you guys how I go ahead and make this lunch. So all I'm using is corn, tomatoes, avocado, some smoked salmon, and over here I already go ahead and wash and prepare some romaine lettuce. So all I'm going to go ahead and do is just throw all these other ingredients over there, which is my avocado, my tomato, and I'm taking just a little less than a handful of corn and put that over it just to make it look really colorful and appetizing. Just it make it look really colorful and appetizing. And now I'm going to go ahead and take out 2 pieces of my smoked salmon and just put it all over here. So if you're a kind of person who rather your salmon more cooked, then you can do that, but you can have it either way, so whether smoked or a little extra cooking on it, but it's yummy either ways. And I don't want too much, just a little bit. And that's it. And there you have it, guys. Lunch is ready. And what I'm going to do, because I love using this Maggi soja sauce, I'm just gonna throw just a little bit over it to bring up the taste of everything in this plate. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more quick and easy lunch that I prepare for myself and my family, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know. Enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next Mel Kitchen.